In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currencies in Google Sheets with Googlefinance. If you want a quick way to turn one currency into another inside your spreadsheet, Google Sheets makes this very simple with a built-in formula. This is especially useful if you track prices, expenses, invoices, or any values that need to be converted automatically without using a separate calculator. To get started, click the cell where you want the converted total to appear. This is important because the result of your formula will be displayed in whichever cell you select. For example, if your original amount is already listed somewhere else in the sheet, you'll want to place this new formula in an empty cell so your converted value stays separate and easy to read. Once that cell is selected, type the following formula, equals a 2, multiplied by Googlefinance, open parenthesis, quotation mark, currency, estimate, quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula does two things at once. The A2 part refers to the cell that contains the amount you want to convert. The Googlefinance function pulls in the current exchange rate between US dollars and Indian rupees. By multiplying the value in a 2 by that live exchange rate, Google Sheets calculates the converted amount for you automatically. After typing the formula, press Enter. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will return the converted total in the cell you selected. If the source amount in a 2 changes later, the converted result will also update, which makes this method very convenient for ongoing tracking. A helpful tip here is to make sure the amount in a 2 is entered as a number and not as plain text. If the value is stored incorrectly, the formula may not calculate as expected. It's also a good idea to double-check that the currency code in the formula matches the conversion you want. In this example, US dinar converts from US dollars to Indian rupees. That's all it takes to convert currencies in Google Sheets. Using Googlefinance, it's fast, automatic, and great for keeping your spreadsheet calculations up to date. Thanks for watching.